When it comes to mobile devices, we understand that they have limited resources, not only resources internally, but also in physical resources. Devices don't have a lot of space. As such, when we want to display information, we have to be a little bit more clever, if you will, to actually cram everything in one small space, as you can see. So that's when we are able to use structures such as scrollables, but most importantly, list views. Now let's start by looking at this example here. So this is what we call a list view. So you've seen in your applications, you've seen using other kind of applications, perhaps a little bit more sophisticated list views, which we'll talk about. But this is nonetheless a list view because it lists items in such a way that we can actually scroll up and down. And if we have more items at the bottom, we're going to be able to see them. Okay, so list views are very important in Android development for that main reason, right? It allows us to actually cram in a lot of information for our users. Because you can imagine in a contact manager application that we've been working on, there will be times when we want to actually show all those contacts. Now, you can see that it would be very hard to show, let's say, 100 contacts that you may have on your phone or that you have saved in your application. And that would be very difficult if we couldn't actually show all of that information, all of those contacts in a list view as such. Now, the good news is Android APIs, they do provide all of the tools, all of the classes, adapters, and so forth that allow us to quickly create a list view as such. A list view like you're seeing here. In fact, this is what we're going to be building in the next video. By leveraging what we created before, this, if you remember correctly, is actually data that's coming from our database that we have put together in previous videos. So I'll show you how to start using the built-in list views that come with Android.